If you're considering using Taskrabbit Inc., you might be wondering if it's the right fit for your needs, especially with so many competitors out there. Well, in this video, I'll dive into 7 key things you need to know before making that decision. Stick around till the end to get the full picture, because I'll also tell you how you can try it completely free with the best offer available. First things first, Taskrabbit is a platform that connects people who need help with everyday tasks to people who can do them. Whether it's assembling furniture, cleaning, or running errands, Taskrabbit acts as a middleman between you and freelance workers, called taskers. What sets it apart from its competitors, like Handy or Thumbtack, is its simplicity and ease of use. You create a task, set your budget, and within minutes, you have taskers competing for the job. But the service isn't without its nuances, so let's dive deeper. Next thing, pricing. Taskrabbit allows you to set your budget, but there's more flexibility when compared to platforms like Handy. You can choose from hourly rates or fixed pricing, depending on the job. But while that sounds good, there's a catch. Taskers have their own rates, so you may see significant price fluctuations depending on your location and the time of year. For example, a cleaning job might cost you $25 per hour in a small town, but in larger cities like New York or LA, you're looking at $50 an hour or more. Keep that in mind when planning your task. The third thing you need to know is the quality of taskers. Taskrabbit vetting is thorough but not flawless. Taskers go through background checks, and there are reviews available for each one, but like any marketplace, you'll occasionally run into workers who might not meet your expectations. That's why it's essential to check reviews carefully before hiring. Some competitors like Thumbtack do offer similar vetting, but Taskrabbit's ease of access to these ratings makes it a quick decision maker for many users. The fourth thing to consider is Taskrabbit's coverage area. Taskrabbit has a solid presence in large urban areas across the US, Canada, the UK, and some European countries. But if you live in a rural area, the platform might not be as useful. In these cases, services like Thumbtack or even local classified ads might offer better options. Still, Taskrabbit is growing its reach, so it's worth checking if it's available where you are. The fifth thing to think about is Taskrabbit's app and website interface. It's one of the most user-friendly platforms out there. Compared to its competitors like Handy or even Fiverr, the design of Taskrabbit is clean and streamlined. The task creation process is intuitive, and tracking your job is easy with real-time updates and instant messaging with your tasker. However, keep in mind that Taskrabbit's service fees can be a bit steep, ranging from 7.5% to 15%, depending on your location and task type. Next thing, flexibility. Taskrabbit offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to booking. Need a last-minute fix? Taskers are usually available for same-day jobs, which is something that sets Taskrabbit apart from more rigid competitors like Handy. Of course, availability varies based on the task and location, but in general, Taskrabbit's real-time updates and wide range of taskers mean that you can often find someone quickly. Finally, one last point to mention is Taskrabbit's customer support. In my experience, it's hit or miss. While they offer great support through their help center and in-app messaging, reaching a representative can sometimes take a bit longer than I'd like, especially when compared to more personalized support from other services. But the reviews on taskers are a great backup when things don't go as planned, so you have a bit of safety in that. Now, if you want to try out Taskrabbit Inc. for yourself and get the best possible offer, including a completely free trial, click the first link in the description below. That's where you'll get exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. In conclusion, Taskrabbit Inc. is a great option if you need flexible, on-demand help for tasks around the house or office. But it's not without its flaws: pricing fluctuations, variable quality of workers, and occasional customer support issues. So, if you want to dive in, make sure to read reviews, set realistic expectations for pricing, and try it out with the best free trial available through the link below. Happy tasking!